Okay, so I'd like to talk about virtualization and the cloud and some of the hardware aspects that are very much have to be taken into account when we're looking at Java. Simon, tell us a little bit about virtualization. I know that in the Oracle world this is something of a can of worms. How does this work in the Java world?
Sure, and actually, let's face it, virtualization is one of those things that's caught a lot of organizations out when we're talking about Oracle license compliance.
Sure. Yeah.
Oracle do not have a concept of virtual licensing. So with Oracle, you basically license the physical hardware.
Okay.
Full stop.
Yeah.
The only point that is not true is if you're using a technology that conforms to Oracle's hard partitioning policy.
And that includes Oracle VM?
That includes Oracle VM, but it also includes things like Solaris containers.
Yeah.
It includes LDOMs or OVM on Spark. It also includes third-party tools like IBM LPARs, for instance, are included,
yes.
And NPARs on Superdome HP boxes.
So this is the same as with the database world, which we're very familiar with.
Absolutely the same.
Yeah.
If you're not using one of those technologies, or you're using, dare I say, VMware or Hyper-V,
these are soft partitioning.
They're all
examples.
soft partitioning examples, and in those situations, Oracle's document states that licenses have to be purchased for either the whole machine or cluster of machines if it's something in a virtual plant.
Right.
So this makes you liable for not just one machine but possibly everything.
Yeah.
Now, when you license the hardware, it is licensed to run as many instances as you want to put on it.
Yes. Yeah.
So if you have a 2-node VMware plant, you've got 2 physical servers, they're both licensed for Java, you can run hundreds of guest OSs on there with different versions of Java. If you're licensed, you're licensed. There is no restriction.
Right. So that consolidation is actually a way of limiting your requirement for Java licensing.
Yeah, it actually can make it very cost effective.
It can be a cost-effective way. So as with Oracle database, really, it's a discussion that has to look at not just your software requirements, but you very much need to shape the hardware to make that an economic and optimized solution.
Yeah. You also asked me about cloud though.
Yes, I did.
So,
yeah.
Oracle have basically certified a number of cloud providers. These are AWS, as long as you're using EC2 or RDS.
Right. Yeah.
Azure, and obviously Oracle's own cloud.
Right.
All of those are used actually as, it's kind of like it's a hard partition anyway. So each instance counts as its own physical piece of hardware.
Yeah.
So in that virtual world of cloud technology, you can absolutely choose the size that you need it to be and license to that size. Now we found that to be a really good tool when you're talking about virtual farms. So if you've got a large VMware estate but running a very small amount of Java in that estate, it may well be worth considering removing that from the estate and putting it in the cloud where you can control its size and again control its license requirement.
Thank you for tuning in to this video about the recent changes to the way Java is being licensed and the impact this may have on your business or on you as a developer. For further information or assistance in connection with Java licensing, please contact your account manager here at Grey Matter or call us on 01 364 654 100. Our Code Matter blog for developers also contains up-to-the-minute information about Java licensing.